So, a couple weeks ago on the Marketing Clarity podcast, I shared how I convert, or I guess the process around how to easily convert videos you make into blog posts. Because I don't know, if you're anything like me, making video is just easier than writing. That's just my mechanism. It's easier for me to cut open the mic, do a video, than to actually sit down and type it. And if that's a big blocker for you, I hear you. But the reality is, particularly if we're talking about SEO, that having a blog post on your site for your videos helps you immensely, okay? And here's the thing. I know that you probably don't have a ton of time to be creating tons of new content. So the great thing about what I'm going to show you in this video is it really helps you get the most juice for the squeeze when you create a new video and how to easily convert it into a blog post. Let's go. Before we get started, I obviously want to point out and point you towards my free Marketing Clarity community. I'd love to have you in there. It's where I share all of my marketing tips, guides, boot camps, updates, all kinds of stuff. So definitely check it out. It's a free, and there is a link below in the description for this video. Okay, so as I mentioned, I've been walked through this process on my Marketing Clarity podcast, but as I looked at it after, I found a way to even do it better than how I talked about it on the podcast. And I want to share that with you. So the first thing that you need to do is actually go to the Chrome web store, okay? Or the Chrome extension marketplace, if you will. And what you're going to want, I actually have this installed already, so let me see exactly the name. What is it? Why is my hover not working? There we go. Okay. YouTube. What was it? YouTube. There we go. Okay. YouTube summary with ChatGPT. Okay. Now the one I use is this one. It's the first one. For me, it says added. I don't know. Again, sometimes they change the logos, but it's YouTube summary with ChatGPT by clasp.co. And you're going to want to add that to your Chrome browser. Okay, so step one, done it. If you need to pause the video to get this done, do it. Okay, step two. We head on over to a video, one that you create. In this case, obviously, we're looking at one that I created. And again, this seems like as good a time as ever to tell you about this playlist, which is the DIY Marketing Clarity Guide playlist. It's on my channel. I'll link to it up above here and down below in the description. And this is 1/3 of my Marketing Clarity Guide program, completely for free. Okay, so definitely hop over there if you're struggling with customer clarity, if you're struggling with who your target customers are, your messaging, your content, you have no marketing or content plan, you start with this. Okay, so we're on this video, and then I'm going to go up to the actual extension. And on my screen, it's cut off, but I'm just going to, once you install it, I'm going to hit it. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. No, that's not right. Okay. We've reset. Now I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. Once you install and activate the Chrome plugin, right here to the right of the video where it says transcript and summary, you're going to want to hit that. And bing, bang, boom. Look at that bad boy. This is all the captions from the video, but it's even done smarter than YouTube captions. So I really do like that. Now, here's where that was magic. But here's where more magic happens. You're going to want to hit the the View AI Summary right here, okay? And it has a little ChatGPT logo. Now, I should also say I do own or have the pay for, I have the paid version of OpenAI. So remember, if you're using the free version, you may be limited of when and how you can get in here because they kind of cap it if you're an unpaid user. So I do pay I think it's $15 a month or something like that for ChatGPT. Okay, so we've installed the Chrome extension. We are logged into ChatGPT and we found the video that we want to summarize. So now is when it all comes together very magically and pretty awesomely. Okay, is awesomely a word? I'm not really sure. I don't think it is, but now it is, awesomely. So we're gonna come up here and view AI summary, open in new tab. And what this is gonna do is open up ChatGPT in a new tab. Now, this threw me off. I wanna share this with you. When I first did this, it says summarize the following, and I'm like, what? This is messed up because it's not showing anything. But if you click in and arrow down, it will show you, because in this case, my video, it was a long one, so it had a lot of caption. So it didn't just all fit in this first line, so it's all below it, okay? But simply what you do is you're gonna wanna hit enter. It takes everything, bing, bang, boom, gives you a summary, right? So this is something that I think is incredibly helpful for converting your existing videos to blog posts. But another area where this is a fantastic tool is in creating podcast show notes, okay? So I hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you next time when I'm making a video about digital marketing or content creation. And until then, I encourage you to keep pedaling.